friends, Miss Andrea here. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to make these paper shooters. They're really cool, and I'm going to be teaching you how to play a game with them. So keep watching. These are all the things you need to make your paper shooter. First, I'm going to cut my paper towel roll in half to make a smaller paper shooter because it'll work better. Next, I'm going to measure my paper for my paper towel roll to cover it so I can decorate it. Then I just follow my markings to cut the perfect size. Next, I'm going to decorate my paper before I glue it to the paper towel roll. Then I glued my paper to my paper towel roll, and now I am ready to put the balloon onto the paper shooter. Next, you're going to cut your balloon just on the very edge so you have enough to cover on top of the paper towel roll and it won't slip off. Next, you're going to open up the balloon and put it on one end of the paper towel roll and make sure to pull it all the way down so it won't slip off at all when you tape it. Next, you're going to tape it all together so the balloon holds on the roll, and then you're going to make a knot on the balloon end. And then I'm just going to add some last minute stickers to my paper shooter. And now we're all done with our paper shooter. Next, I'm going to crumble up some paper so I can shoot them out of the paper shooter. Next, I'm going to use this tape to tape up the floor so I can play a game with my paper shooter. And then I'm going to mark where I start and all the points that I'm going to get when my papers fly out of my paper shooter. So then you just get your paper shooter and you fill it up with all the little papers, and let's see how far they go. And the way to make it work is by pulling the balloon end far back, and then you'll have the papers fly out. Now I'm going to try my paper shooter out, and let's see how far they go. If I add up all my papers, I get 35 points. Let's see how many you get. You give it a shot.